Hi, I'm Jeremy. Welcome back to the workshop. Today I'm working on a coffee table build, and my design for the build really requires that the shelves of the coffee table don't have a lot of expansion and contraction. And additionally, I'm working with some pretty special material. I have some air-dried walnut, which is really hard to come by. Most walnut you're going to buy is going to come from a kiln, and there's nothing wrong with the quality of that. But what's special about walnut when it's air-dried is that, you might be able to pick it up here, is that it almost has like this purple hue to it. And when this gets finished, it's not just going to be like a chocolatey brown like you're used to with walnut. It's actually going to have hints of red in it, which make the piece look even more authentic and more reminiscent of antiques and antique pieces that you might find. So as you see here, I have my 3 walnut panels, and these all came from a single board. So I started out with a board like this and flattened it out, and then I ran this through my bandsaw, slicing it along the grain here, so that I end up with what's called bookmatched veneers. But the cool thing about starting out with a piece thick enough is oftentimes book matching just involves 2 pieces, but what we have here is a 3-piece book match. So each of these 2 seams is the mirror of the opposite one, all from the same board. So we end up with this really unique pattern that you wouldn't be able to accomplish if I left the piece solid. But then this also enables me to stabilize the wood by having it be thinner. I limit the expansion and contraction, and I'm going to do that by incorporating a poplar core. So this poplar, you can see the grain is running in the opposite direction, and then I'll have another piece of my veneer go on top, and I've essentially created my own plywood. So I have grain in the center going this way, and then the grain on the top going this way, and that grain pattern is going to help stabilize the material. But unlike most plywood that only has like a 32nd of an inch veneer, mine's going to be just under 1/4 of an inch. So in the end, this is going to act much more like solid wood than it would a normal plywood. And if it were to ever be damaged or ever needed to be refinished, your veneer is never going to peel away. It can be sanded as much as you want, and you end up with a piece that is going to last just forever. So I just want to take this moment to show you what is possible when you're building custom furniture and you have control over every aspect of the piece. I get to control the material however I like, and you end up with a piece that's truly stunning and nothing like you can buy in a store. So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. I just wanted to showcase what's possible. And if you're ever interested in quality like this in your furniture in your home, let me know. Have a good day.